Hello and welcome to our channel. We've got a new challenge for you. If you are wondering about the Viral 12-3-30 treadmill workout, you're at the right video. It's the best workout and routine for a great form of therapy that can help you lose up to 20 pounds in a month. This workout was designed by Miss Laura Gamildo, an American social media influencer. All you have to do is put your treadmill on an incline of 12 with a walking speed of 3 for 30 minutes every day.
Hey, you.
Me?
Do you want to be that girl? Well, I've got an effective and quick workout guide for you.
Where do I start?
First, you'll need a treadmill. Now that we have your equipment, let's start with the simple setup instructions. You'll want to set the incline to 12. Remember, this is a bit of a steep, so if needed, you can work your way up to 12. That's okay. We want this to be a good, comfortable workout, so if needed, start at 8 and increase by 10% until you make it to 12. Next, you will place the speed at 3. Again, make sure this feels comfortable for your height. Your height can affect the speed, so we want to make sure we're creating a comfortable speed walk, not running. Next, you'll put on a timer for 30 minutes. Now that your equipment is all set up, you're ready to begin. Make sure to stand up straight and try not to hold on, and most importantly, keep your core tight and engage it. Don't forget to stay hydrated, drink water, and listen to music if that helps pass the time. Try it out for 2 weeks and see if this workout is something you would add to your routine.
Depending on the person, the results may vary, but if you follow the instructions, there's no reason to not see some kind of effectiveness. Long terms is what counts the most though. Try to stay consistent. If you do want to lose more weight, I would recommend to add healthy habits like eating right. The treadmill workout is not just a workout. It helps you change your body, your relationship with exercise, and overall makes you feel better. If you like the video, please like, comment, and share. Thank you.